Hello fellows! In this video I'm going to build a kit from Revell Tribal Class Destroyer with HMS Arc Rail. I will thank you to my cousin because he supported this video and bought the kit. Here you can see the plastics proof with nice plastic details like graves and cannon batteries. Here you can see the tower and some little planes. I'm using Revell aqua colors. I'm mixing the color properly. And I paint the shovels with gold paint. Now I got some plastic parts to the arc rail. It's maybe like I don't know. It's for the board. I don't know. Here you can see the cannon. Now I clean the moon lines with nail file. And of course I'm using a very sharp knife. Now I glue the cannons. Now I glue the whole board to the arc rail, and he has nice little details. Now I use the animal colors to paint the boats, but on the top I using animal color yellow, and on the bottom I use the brown color from Hamron. I don't know why, but I use the toothpick to paint boats. Here you can see the ugly mold line on the grave, And now I cleaning with very sharp knife. You can see before and after result. Now I glue the tower. Here you can see some batteries. Now I glue the graves and of course boats. I use on the whole boat the Revell contact glue, but I of course use the extra thin glue from Tamiya or Mr. HMS. You can see them with nice details. Now I glue the armor plate. Here you can see the little planes with nice little details and the panel lines. Here you can see another boat with like on the Argyle boats and, and batteries and cannons. Now I start paint the planes on bottom with Revell aqua color, and on the top I use enamel color. And of course I'm mixed with enamel thinner. Here you can see the result, and now I use a wash but from oil paint. Here is the result after dry, and now I paint the whole board. I know it's better use a white brush. Today I try use electric tape because I think it's better than the ordinary tape, but I don't recommend use ordinary tape or electrical tape. It's not good at the masking tape, so in the future I go back, but for result this shade on the bottom I use orange color with red. And here is the finished mold. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.